Hello, hi my dear ones. How are you all? Hope you are all safe and happy. Today we are going to continue the chapter number 7. That is a Matra Parijay, O and Ow. It's a continuation of Matra Parijay, O and Ow. You already learned the English meanings, the word, picture, meaning, then the sentences also. So let's learn the rest of the lesson. Okay, you have to learn the change the number. You know what is change the number? It is a plural form. One and many. Look at this. You learn this word. What is this? This is topi. Topi, the plural form of topi is topiam. Topi, topiam. Hat, hats. Topi, topiam. Repeat. Topi, topiam. Hat, hats. Khilona, खिलौने. Toy, toys. खिलौना, खिलौने. नौका, नौके. Boat, boats. नौका, नौके. पौधा, पौधे. Plant, plants. One more. Topi, topiam. And listen here. Here the matra is iki matra. When we change it the plural form, iki matra will change into iki matra. Topi, not topiam, it is topiam. Iki matra. So when you write, you have to be very careful when you write the plural form. Topi, topiam. खिलौना, खिलौने. खिलौना, खिलौने. आ की मात्रा, ए की मात्रा. नौका, नौके. पौधा, पौधे. Once more. टोपी, टोपियां. खिलौना, खिलौने. नौका, नौके. पौधा, पौधे. Now the English meaning. This is the revision questions. What do you learn in the A ki matra, I ki matra, O ki matra and Au ki matra? What is the Hindi word you learn for khargosh? What is the English word for khargosh? Rabbit. Rabbit, khargosh. Rabbit, khargosh. Plant. Say loudly. Plant. Very good. Paudha. Plant. Paudha. Hat. Topi. Hat. Topi. Then cuckoo. What is it? Cuckoo. Koyal. Koyal. Cuckoo. Basket. What is the Hindi word for basket? Tokari. Very good. Did you read the lesson? Is it? Crow. What is it? Kawa. Toy. Khilona. One more word you learned, I think. Isn't it? Bottle. You learned the word bottle. I didn't add the word. So am I writing here? Bottle. What is the English word for bottle? Water bottle. 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 Once more. Khargosh. Repeat. Rabbit. Khargosh. Rabbit. Paudha. Plant. Topi. Hat. Koyal. Cuckoo, tokari, basket, kawa, crow, khilona, toy, bottle, bottle. Okay. Once more. Khargosh. Read the word. Khargosh, rabbit. Paudha, plant. Topi, hat. Koyal, cuckoo. टोकरी basket, कौवा crow, खिलौना toy, bottle bottle. So you have to learn all these words and the English meaning, and you have to learn the spelling, that is it, and read the words as many times as you can. Okay. Now you learn some simple sentences, isn't it? That in the last class the teacher taught you some simple sentences. So based on that sentences you have to study some answer the following type questions. You learn these sentences. ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. That class teacher told that what is ढोलक, drum, bajana, to play the drum. Mohan came playing the ढोलक. ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. Then कौन ढोलक बजाकर आता है? Who came? कौन, the word is कौन. So you have to learn some interrogative words. You know in English all the words start with W. Why, what, where, when. In Hindi also almost all the interrogative words start with ka. कौन, क्या, कहाँ, कैसे, कब. So you learned, I think the previous lesson you learned कौन. क्या, कौन means who, क्या means what. कौन ढोलक बजाकर आता है? कौन ढोलक बजाकर आता है? कौन आता है? मोहन आता है. कौन ढोलक बजाकर आता है? ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. ढोलक बजाकर कौन आता है? ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. ढोलक बजाकर कौन ढोलक बजाकर आता है? In the sentence it is given ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है, or we can write मोहन ढोलक बजाकर आता है. It's also right. कौन ढोलक बजाकर आता है? Repeat. ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. घोड़े ने तोते को घर पर बुलाया. घोड़े ने तोते को घर पर बुलाया. The horse invited the parrot to his house. घोड़े ने तोते को घर पर बुलाया. Here in this sentence we can make two questions. किसने बुलाया? किसे बुलाया? Whom and who. तो घोड़े ने तोते को घर पर बुलाया. घोड़े ने किसको बुलाया? Whom did he invite? घोड़े ने किसको बुलाया? तोते को बुलाया. The answer is only one word, तोते. घोड़े ने तोते को घर पर बुलाया. घोड़े ने किसको घर पर बुलाया? घोड़े ने किसको? वेरी गुड. तोते को घर पर बुलाया. घोड़े ने किसको घर पर बुलाया? तोते को घर पर बुलाया. The third sentence is नौकर ने कचौड़ी बनाई. नौकर ने कचौड़ी बनाई. कचौड़ी is a snack. नौकर ने कचौड़ी बनाई. The question is किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? किसने? Who made? किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? Who made? The answer is नौकर, the servant. नौकर, the servant made कचौड़ी, snack. किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? किसने बनाई? Yes, नौकर ने कचौड़ी बनाई. किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? नौकर ने कचौड़ी बनाई. The answer is only one word you have to learn as answer. The rest is given in the question. So it is easy to learn. किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? नौकर ने. The next sentence is गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा है. गौरव is the name of a boy. कुर्सी पर बैठा है. कुर्सी chair. बैठना to sit. गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा. गौरव is sitting on a chair. गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा है. Here the question is गौरव कहाँ बैठा है? कौन बैठा? No, that is not the question. कहाँ पर? Where? Where he is sitting. Where Gaurav is sitting. Gaurav कहाँ बैठा है? कहाँ पर बैठा है? Where he is sitting. Sitting on the chair. That is कुर्सी. गौरव कहाँ बैठा है? गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा है. गौरव कहाँ बैठा है? गौरव कहाँ बैठा है? वेरी गुड. कुर्सी पर बैठा है. गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा है. गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा है. खिलौने लेकर बच्चे दौड़े. खिलौने लेकर बच्चे दौड़े. खिलौने, you know the word toys. बच्चे, children. दौड़ना, to run. The children ran with the toys. खिलौने लेकर बच्चे दौड़े. The question is, कौन खिलौने लेकर? Who ran? कौन खिलौने लेकर दौड़े? कौन दौड़े? करेक्ट, बच्चे दौड़े. खिलौने लेकर कौन दौड़े? बच्चे दौड़े. कौन खिलौने लेकर दौड़े? कौन खिलौने लेकर? बच्चे दौड़े. So once more I read the question and you have to repeat the answer. Okay. कौन ढोलक बजाकर आता है? ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. ढोलक बजाकर मोहन आता है. घोड़े ने किसको घर पर बुलाया? घोड़े ने किसको घर पर बुलाया? करेक्ट, घोड़े ने तोते को घर पर बुलाया. घोड़े ने तोते को घर पर बुलाया. किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? किसने कचौड़ी बनाई? करेक्ट, नौकर ने कचौड़ी बनाई. नौकर ने कचौड़ी बनाई. गौरव कहाँ बैठा है? गौरव कहाँ बैठा है? गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा है. गौरव कुर्सी पर बैठा है. कौन खिलौना लेकर दौड़े? कौन खिलौना लेकर दौड़े? खिलौने लेकर बच्चे दौड़े. खिलौने लेकर बच्चे दौड़े. So you have to read the sentence very carefully. Then next is a few sentences are given. You have to translate it into Hindi. You already learned in the plural form exercises. This is a toy. This is a toy. You know the English word for this. Yeh, isn't it? Toy also you know, it is खिलौना. This is a toy. That means यह एक खिलौना है. This is a means one. यह एक खिलौना है. This is a toy means यह एक खिलौना है. But this is a boy. How will you say? यह एक लड़का है. This is a mango. How will you say? यह एक आम है. The same way you have to practice. Okay. This is a ball. How will you say in Hindi? यह एक खिलौना है. यह एक खिलौना है. The second one is, these are toys. That is a plural form. These are toys. These, the Hindi word for these is ये, toys, खिलौने. So the sentence is, ये खिलौने हैं. You know, in the singular we use है and in plural form we use हैं. These are toys. ये खिलौने हैं. These are toys means ये खिलौने हैं. The third sentence is, that is a toy. That is a toy. You know the Hindi word for that. Vah, isn't it? Toy also you know. The sentence then in Hindi the sentence is, वह एक खिलौना है. वह एक खिलौना है. That is a toy. Those are toys. That is a plural form. Those. The Hindi word for those is वे. वे खिलौने हैं. Those are toys. I'll say one example. You have to you just try to say the singular format. This is, suppose this is a pen. You know the Hindi word for pen, isn't it? Kala. यह This is a pen. How will you say in Hindi? Very good. एक कलम है. यह एक कलम है. The same way, if it is a mango, suppose it is a mango, how will you say? Suppose if it is instead of toy, if it is a mango, how will you say? This is a mango. Then how the Hindi? यह एक आम है. These are mangoes. ये आम हैं. That is a mango. वह एक आम है. Those are mangoes. वे आम हैं. So same way you have to practice. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to choose the options are given. You have to choose the correct letter from the bracket. Okay. Khar dash sha. It's ga, go, gao. Which is correct? Look carefully and say. Very good. It is go, khargosh. It is khargosh. Khargosh. Next one. Pau dash. It is da, ta, dha. Which one is correct? Yes, the third one is correct. That is paudha. Paudha means plant. Paudha. Paudha. The third one is dash ka ri. It's te, to, tau. Which is correct? Very good. Tokari. That is tokari. Tokari means basket. Khi dash na. It is le, lo, lao. Which will come? Which letter will come? Very good. It is lao. Khi lao na. Khi lao na. Then last one dash ya la. Ya la. Ke ko cow. Look carefully and say. Yes, very good. It's ko. Koyal, cuckoo. You know the English word for koyal, isn't it? Koyal, cuckoo. Once more. Khargosh, paudha, tokari, खिलौना, कोयल. Clear? Now, this is an activity. You have to say that. Okay. Make 3 words with O ki matra and Au ki matra. O ki matra and Au ki matra. Can you say the word? Okay, try to say. First one. Topi. Very good. I'm going to write here. It is topi. Second, tokari. Very good. Tokari. Next, one more word. Very good. Botal. Botal. It is bottle. So words with Oki matra, topi, tokari, bottle. Any word you can write. Okay, any word you can write. Next is Auki matra. First, very good. Paudha. You know the word, huh? Paudha. Next one. Nauka. Pauda, nauga. One more word. Kawa. Then naukar, kachaudi. Many words. Kawa. Any word you can write. Kawa. So once more, words with Oki Matra, Topi, Tokari, Bottle. Oki Matra, Paudha, Nauka, Kawa. Okay. Now, it's an assignment for you. Read the sentences and select the words having O and Auki Matra. It's from your textbook and page number 28. A paragraph is given. 3 or 4 lines. The paragraph is given. So read this paragraph carefully and you have to underline or circle, select the words having O and O. You should do it in the textbook only. It's no need to write in the notebook. You just mark the words, underline the words. Pick out the words or underline or circle the words in the textbook only. Okay, this is assignment. Hope you understood, isn't it? So stay happy and healthy. Thank you.